Good morning, welcome to Goodwill Commodities. In this video presentation, we are going to see how we can trade in Mcx crude oil today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened in the last 3 days. As a follower of our presentation, you may know that we consider the last 3 days price action and we take a trading decision based on that without using or confusing with other technical tools. So just by drawing the support and resistance in a practical way. Now let us see what happened in the last 3 days. Let us have a summary of that. On 11th, right from, you can see that from 3080, right from 3080 it was a straightaway fall and had a lower closing. After that, the opening was bit higher on 12th of March. You could see the date and time below. The price could not clear 3080. So it took some resistance around 3060. And again there was a continuous drop and we got a lower closing compared to the previous day's price closing. On 13th, the same thing happened again. It found resistance around 2960. And it was a continuous drop and the price came down till 2860s and closed near that. So this was the entire price action. 3 continuous days we got a lower closing and somewhat near the low closing the price opened. But it was a clear cut short for sellers. So every time we reached the target and we were happy with our performance what happened in the last week. Now we need to position ourselves for this week. So now let us see how we can position ourselves. So before that I want to show you one thing. To this Monday we can expect for today the price can open a bit higher. I will show you the reason for that. So you can see this is what it looks like, a spike in the international price. It shows around 47.6. Since I am recording this video late night, we should get a confirmation the morning around 9 o'clock. If this is the case, things will be different. Now let us go back and see our MCX chart. Now we can get a clear picture what we can expect from this Monday. If the price is going to open higher, like what I showed in the international price, it should somewhere be opening within 2920 and 2950. It may not open above 2970, which means that it completely retraces the entire price action what happened on 13th. So if that is the case, where we can position, because in the beginning of the week we need to clearly observe the market. If there is something for sellers, if there is something for sellers, because it was a very big drop within a day, nothing will change. The trend remains the same even if it is for day trading. So this can be a particular zone, 3020. This will be the zone for our focus. If there is pure selling or whatever has happened is just a retracement, the price should initially take resistance in this zone. So our prime target will be to notice how the price is reacting in these two area. Why in these two area? If the price needs to clear this 3020, it should take some support around 3000. So these two zones will be our focus. Unless until the price is staying below this zone, we can always take advantage of the trend and go for selling on top. So there will be two options left for us throughout this week for trading. This contract will also expire soon. So our positioning will be within this 3 area where the price will be targeting. Whether it is taking initially, it should take resistance in these two major zones, the zones which we had marked. And if the trend continues, it will always have a drop. But if there is any price closing above this particular zone, if we are seeing a constant price closing above this particular zone, then slowly we will shift towards buying. because here you can see it is a straightaway fall. no, very hardly we had picked the support and resistance line. We need to give some time for the price so that it will create the support and resistance. So for the first few days we can go in favor for the trend, and this is going to be the key zone. Above 3020 our final selling stop loss, and if something is for buying after hitting for the projection what we are making is for this complete week. So taking into long term perspective also. So if the price is taking, when the price was taking a resistance around this particular zone, if it finds support in any of this area in the later period during this week, we can place a stop loss below 2950 and we can go for buying only under certain conditions. Once we got a very good support, we can take this chance. Till then, 3000 until 3020 based on the funds you have in your trading account, you can go for selling on top. So let us see where the price is going to open, and we hope that we will pick the right zone in this coming week also. Thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.